Hello, I'm Alex Eagle, the Master of Runes. I will ask the runes what you can do to achieve your current goal or to solve your current problem. Also, in the end of the video, I will give you a personal rune for your success and I will tell you how you can use it. Keep in mind, this is a general reading, so not everything will resonate personally with you. Now, what this reading is about? This reading is about some great big changes in your life. Either they are already happening or they are about to happen. It's transformation of a significant amplitude. Now, what do you actually want? You want a change, you want a cleanse to your life, you want to remove something old from your life, to be able to move into new directions, to be able to invite and accept new, fresh energies into your life. Now, how do you achieve that? You can achieve that by focusing on your joy, on your happiness, on your fulfillment, perhaps even on some pleasures. Now, a rune for you is the rune Yera, rune of the harvest, rune of receiving your results, receiving the compensation for your work. So whatever changes are happening in your life, focus in inviting something fresh and new into your life. For that, it might be needed to remove something old and stagnant from your life. Also, keep attention on yourself, practice some self-care, and make sure you are happy and fulfilled. That will be a beacon for you, for your goal. So choose the path that will make you happier. And you can also use the rune of Yera directly by drawing it on the left side of your body or visualizing this symbol. Thank you for your attention and I wish you the best of luck.